I'm Kashyap.
Hi, I'm Catherine.
Hey, I'm Jaden.
Hi, my name's Manal.
Hey, my name is Saksham. What I really learned in the program was that I learned how to manage my finance, I learned how to invest my money, plus I learned about credit cards and how to handle my budget.
What I liked best about this program was that how it made me aware.
To change our mindsets really about how we manage our personal finances.
It was really innovative and very fun to listen to, and I've learned so many new informations from this, and I'm so excited to use this in my, upcoming life.
It was really a thought-provoking session, I must say, over the period of 2 days. And I totally encourage that other young mindsets too engage in such sessions.
I really recommend this to all young minds.
I would absolutely recommend it to other young students out there.
To thank Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring our program.
I would like to thank Dubai Islamic Bank for giving us this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you for Dubai Islamic Bank for providing this opportunity.
Thank you to Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this program.